Alright, I'm here at one of my many closets to show you one of the first things I ever made and how I can use it for one of my signature outfits. Here I am at closet number 2 to grab the second piece. A little more intriguing now, isn't it? Here's what I got. A pink plaid blazer and a black and white checkered gingham shirt. Now, you probably don't think those two things go together, but what I like to do is mix unusual patterns and textures together. This is it. I like the ruffles, although you can't really see them that well. It gives it a nice classy look. A little bit fancy. Turn heads at a brunch pop. Maybe not in a good way. But I like to be a little more eccentric than the average person.